Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. I wanted to update you on FreshPass. I mentioned in my previous video tutorial, which I will link right here if you haven't watched it, what I thought of FreshPass. At the time I was not signed up, but I have been using it for several months now, so let's get into this. Going into the app, you will see your rewards as noted. You can access your FreshPass from there. Currently, I have 47 rewards. FreshPass is a feature. I have an annual subscription. It is more cost effective to purchase the annual subscription as opposed to the monthly service fee. So that's just what I opted to do. This is how your FreshPass credits occur. Usually they come before the new ad for the new month. So the FreshPass $5 credit wasn't available yesterday, which was the 2nd, and today's the 3rd. So it is available for me to clip. And one thing I did learn is on here, the offer details, it does specify, and I still don't like that the fine print is really tiny, but you can use this on any items that are like laundry detergent. The other day I tested this out, $5 came off. It's not just for food items, which is great. Here are some of the FreshPass perks. $2 in grande beverage. My store actually does have a Starbucks inside, so I think that this is helpful for me. I do buy a lot of O Organics and Open Nature products, so I do get that 5% off every time I purchase their brands. And recently, probably in November, they rolled out the pet care as well. Here's some of their pet care. You will get that 5% off as well, which is nice to scan to see if the item is a qualifying purchase. And I did call using the VIP customer line, and it's really nice because you're able to talk to a real person, but it's still the same process. If they have a wait time, you still have to wait, so it's not like you're never going to have to wait. I think at the beginning I didn't have a line, but as FreshPass is getting more popular, I think that the VIP line is getting more visits. The culinary experience, I did speak with Kevin. He is part of the customer service with VIP, and he informed me that the culinary experiences have been paused because of COVID. I have not seen anything with that, with the FreshPass benefits. As for unlimited free deliveries, my store specifically does not do delivery. However, when you are traveling, which I think is great because I recently went on a road trip and we were staying at Airbnbs, and this was really a neat feature. So if there's an area that you're at, it doesn't have to be like the place you always are shopping at. If this is in your area, you have this service and it goes with you wherever you are. Across my road trip, we went to Arizona, so I was seeing a lot of Safeway stores. Then we went into New Mexico and Texas, and there were Tom Thumbs, there were Market Streets, there were a lot of Albertson affiliate store companies, and I was able to use all of these coupons, all of these deals, and all my rewards were able to be used at these stores as well. I did end up downloading some of those apps as well, just so it'd be easier while I was traveling. Here are some of the benefits and perks. My birthday is in February, so I'm kind of curious what the birthday treat will be. If you are curious about wanting to get FreshPass and you're not sure if it's worth it, here are just some of the things from my opinion and my thoughts. I definitely feel like it is well worth it for what you're getting. The $5 credit ultimately brings it down to $3.25 a month. But definitely watch my tutorial video if you're having any issues. They did change a couple of the features at the buttons. The second button on the bottom previously was browse, and they changed it to shop. Deals, they removed the U and added more of a coupon. Other than that, the app is pretty much functioning the same way. They also added meal plans, and this is a really fun feature. So if you are cooking for yourself, your family, or maybe you're cooking for someone or taking care of someone with special dietary needs and you really don't know how to cook that way, I just think that this is really helpful. These are just some of the specifications that I changed for our family. Meal plans that are available on this section of the app, and it's available to anyone. You don't need to have FreshPass for this. And It also has the calories. I just think this is really helpful, especially for someone that's new or a college student to cooking, a new wife or homemaker. I like it a lot. I just hope that you're getting the most out of your app. And I hope that this FreshPass customer feedback, my honest opinion of FreshPass, I've been in this since they first rolled it out back in August, just knowing I have all these extra perks. So I hope that this video is helpful for you, and definitely go check out some of my other videos that I have on my channel. And until next time, y'all, have a good one. Bye. You can see right here, it says minimum $5 purchase of qualifying products required to use the credit, excluding taxes and fees. Credit cannot be changed for cash or gift card and may not be reissued or prorated for refund. Credit cannot be used towards alcohol, lottery, money orders, prescriptions and copays, postage stamps, prepaid cards, gift cards, newspapers and magazines, milk where required by law or regulation, bottle deposit, bus passes, hunting and fishing licenses, any imposed government fees, and items reimbursed by a government health plan, all the proceedings of which are excluded from qualifying products.